In this video, I will show you one of the fastest fix that can restore your sound in less than a minute. First, press and hold Windows icon key on your keyboard, then press R on your keyboard to open Run dialog box. Here, you need to type services.msc, then click on OK. In Services window, you need to find Windows Audio. For that, simply type W on your keyboard and you will see Windows Audio. First, click on Restart, then right click on Windows Audio, select Properties. Here in Startup Type, you need to change it to Automatic and afterward click on Apply and OK. You have to do the same thing with Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Select it and restart the services. Click on Yes. After restarting the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder, right-click on it, select Properties, change the startup type to Automatic, and make sure the services is running. It's not showing a stop. I'm talking about both services, not just this one. Make sure it's showing service status running. After changing the startup type to Automatic, click on Apply and OK. After doing this, simply click on Start and restart your computer and check if this helps you to fix your problem. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If not, do let us know in the comment section. See you in the next video.